which one was your favorite that you encountered in your space missions?
Oh, interesting. I don't want to say favorites, but I think the one, I'll just say this one, the one that like throughout all the times that I've been in space, the one that you end up spending the most time with is bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles with water all the time, and trying to figure out how to move bubbles. So I know that there's some work here, but it doesn't mean the rest of the things are unimportant. It just means, you know, water essentially is life for many reasons up there, and we end up dealing with that quite a bit. If we could take some of that work, take that out of the work of I think the people who are doing it, if make that automated, figure out other ways to move bubbles, I think that would be really spectacular and allow us to do a little bit more other engineering.
A very inspiring answer, so thank you very much for your visit.